He took those dreams and turned them into actions. If Herzl was the quarterback, Ben-Gurion was the wide receiver running into the end zone. The early Zionist movement was closely intertwined with the socialist spirit of the working class, a sort of political peanut butter and jelly, if you will. And Ben-Gurion was at the forefront of it all. In 1921, Ben-Gurion was elected Secretary General of the Histadrut, transforming an organization of workers in what was then Palestine into a unified labor force. He saw that unity as the backbone of Zionism. This also helped new immigrants acclimate into Israeli society, giving them work and a sense of purpose. Ben-Gurion saw this synergy between the workers and the economy as essential to the country's development. Before the state was established, Jews in Palestine had three militias with very different military philosophies that often came into conflict: the Irgun, the Haganah, and Lehi. Ben-Gurion led the Haganah, which was far more diplomatic than the others. He was so committed to defense and restraint with his militia that he insisted on no retaliation for Arab attacks against civilians and strictly emphasized a self-defense only attitude.
Acclimate. Acclimate. Acclimate.